Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert Facebook page to a profile account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently logged in to a Facebook page. But unfortunately, you won't be able to turn this into a profile account. However, if you do have a Facebook account before and you turned on professional mode, well, that technically converts it to a page, right? So the only option you have is to log into that specific personal account, just like, for example. So this one is my personal account. Just got to tap on your profile, just like so. So as you can see, I have this account turned into a digital creator account. Yours may be different, a business account or whatever. So what you do basically in here is just go to the top right, tap on the three dots right here. Again, the three dots besides your wallpaper or a cover image, whatever you want to call it. So click on three dots. Now just turn off pro mode. Continue, turn off, close, and then once done, it will be turned into a regular account. And that's how easy it is to convert your Facebook page to profile account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.